Hello friends, welcome to my channel Backend Bytes by Pratik. So in this video we will discuss more about special type of operator. So in the last session we will discuss about most important special type of operator, that is in operator and not in operator. So in this video we will discuss only about special type of operator, that is between and operator and not between and operator. So between and operator is a special type of operator that is used to compare column value with a range of value. So column value means the column that should be present in a table compared with any range of value like 0 to 10, 10 to 1000, 1000 to 10,000, 10,000 to 1 lakh, anything, any ranges value. Means the range value should be also present in the table. So syntax of between and operator, that is column name, then between operator, then lower range value, then end operator, then upper range value. So let us take an example for better understanding. Salary between 2,450 and 3,000. So here the query means the salary that should be present 2,450 to 3,000. That salary should be displayed in the output. So to work with between and operator, we should follow two important conditions. That is, if the column value falls under the range, then condition is true, otherwise false. Means the column that is present in the table, if we can take any ranges of value, if the column value present column value falls under the range value, then condition is true, otherwise false. So for better understanding how between and operator performs and how we can execute the query, we have take some important query so that you can easily understand how between and operator performs. So display all the employee record whose salary is 2,450 or more and 3,000 or less. So basically here the query saying that the salary present between 2,450 to 3,000. So to solve this query, we use special type of between and operator. So how we write like this? We write like in this way, like select star from EMP, where salary between a lower value, that is 2,450, and upper value, that is 3,000. So like this we can execute the query and we get required result as a output. So now we can execute the another query for better understanding. Display the employee record who joined in 1982. Means the 1982 means the employee who joined after 1st January 1982 to before 31st December 1982. So how we write like how we execute the query? So we can write like this, like select star from EMP, then condition where, then joining date, higher date, higher date between 1st January, 1st Jan 1982 and last 31st December, 31st December 1982, then semicolon. So we can write like in this way to get required result as a out. So for better understanding, we can execute the next query, that is display the employee record whose employee numbers are between 7,600 to 7,800. So here we use special type of between and operator. So you can write like in this way, like select star from EMP where salary between 7600 and 7800, then semicolon. So we can write like this to get required result as a output. So in the next query, display the employee record whose salary is less than 1000 or more than 3000, where salary no, here basically the query says that the salary not between 1000 and 3000. So here we use special type of operator, that is not between and operator, that is special type of not between and operator, not between, not between and operator. This is a special type of operator, not between and operator. Special type of not between and operator. So, not between and operator. The operator that is not between and. Not between and. That is not between and operator. So not between and operator, it is a special type of operator and it is exactly opposite to the special type of between and operator. So in the between and operator, the condition that is if the column value falls under the range, then condition is true. But in case of not between and operator, if the column value falls under the range, then condition is false, otherwise true. It is the exactly opposite. So in this question, in this query, we use not between and operator. So how we write like this? So we can write like in this way to get required result as a output. So select star from EMP where salary not between, not between 1000 and 3000, then semicolon. So we can write like this in this way to get required result as a output. So now we can check practically this query are execute and gives the required result as output or not. For, for that purpose, we open SQL Plus. So open SQL Plus. Run SQL command line. Then connect. Username system. Then password 1234. So my password is already expired. So new password is 1234. Retype new password 1234. Password changed, password is connected. So now we execute our query. So now set pages 200, set lines 200. Now we execute our query. So that is first query, display the employee record whose salary is 2450 and more and 3000 or less. So we can write like this, like select star from EMP where salary between 2450 and 3000, then semicolon, then hit enter. So 5 rows are selected, means 5 employees that are worked in a company whose salary between 2450 to 3000. Now execute the next query, that is display the employee record who joined in company 1982. So we can write like in this way, like select star from EMP where hire date between 1st January 1982 and 31st December 1982, then semicolon, then hit enter. Two rows are selected, means two employees are worked in a company who joined in company in 1982. Now execute the next query, that is display the employee record whose employee numbers are between 7600 to 7800. So we can write like this, like select star from EMP where salary where employee number EMP number between employee number between 7600 and 7800, then semicolon, then hit enter. Four rows are selected, means four employees worked in a company with employee number between 7600 to 7800. Now execute our last query by using not between and operator. Display the employee record whose salary is less than 1000 or more than 3000. So we write like this, like select star from EMP where salary between not between salary not between 1000 and 3000, semicolon, hit enter. 10 rows are selected, means 10 employees worked in a company that salary not more than 1000, not more than less than 1000, more than 3000. So 10 rows are selected. So like this we get required result as output. So here I made one mistake, that is here not using salary, here we use employee number, that is EMP number. So EMP number EMP number. So that is enough for today. So in this video we completed our bit special type of between and operator and not between and operator. So in the next session we will discuss more about special type of operator. So please watch this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.